Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some easy ways to make your life a little bit brighter right now. That's right, instant gratification. These are 10 simple things you can incorporate into your day-to-day that will boost your mood, health, and overall sense of well-being. So, grab a pen and paper if you want to jot some notes. First, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button for more informative content. So, let's get started. Number 1, start your day with gratitude. Starting your day with gratitude can instantly improve your life in countless ways. Simply taking a moment to appreciate the things you have can shift your mindset from one of lack to abundance. Whether it's a warm cup of coffee, the sunrise outside your window, or the love of your family, there is always something to be thankful for. This practice not only boosts your mood, but also sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. By cultivating a mindset of gratitude, you invite more positivity and joy into your life, making every day a little brighter and more fulfilling. So, tomorrow morning, before you rush into your day, take a moment to pause and give thanks for the blessings that surround you. Number 2, move your body. Whether it's dancing to your favorite tunes or taking a brisk walk, physical activity boosts your mood and energy levels instantly. It's a natural stress reliever that clears your mind and enhances your overall well-being. By incorporating movement into your daily routine, you're not just exercising your body, you're also exercising your mind and spirit. So, next time you feel stuck or low, remember, a little movement can go a long way in instantly improving your life. Number 3, declutter your space. If you're looking to instantly improve your life, start by decluttering your space. A tidy environment can work wonders for your mental clarity and productivity. Clearing out unnecessary items not only frees up physical space, but also clears your mind of clutter. When your surroundings are organized, it's easier to focus on tasks and feel less stressed. Take some time each day to tackle a small area, whether it's a desk, a closet, or a room. You'll be amazed at how much lighter and more energized you'll feel once the clutter is gone. So, grab a box, put on some music, and declutter your way to a happier, more efficient life. Number 4, practice mindfulness. By tuning into the present moment without judgment, you can unlock a world of clarity and peace. Take a moment to breathe deeply, observing your thoughts and sensations without getting caught up in them. Notice the sights, sounds, and feelings around you, grounding yourself in the here and now. With practice, mindfulness can enhance your focus, reduce stress, and foster a deeper connection with yourself and others. So, whether you're tackling a tough task or simply savoring a quiet moment, remember to practice mindfulness. It's a small step that can lead to big improvements in your life. Number 5, learn something new. Whether it's mastering a new skill, delving into a new subject, or picking up a hobby, the act of learning keeps your mind sharp and your spirit invigorated. It opens doors to new opportunities, broadens your perspective, and boosts your confidence. Each new piece of knowledge gained is like adding a valuable tool to your toolbox of life. Embrace the curiosity within you and take the plunge into the vast ocean of learning. You never know what hidden treasures you may uncover or what exciting paths you may stumble upon. So, make learning a lifelong adventure and watch as it transforms your life for the better. Number 6, connect with loved ones. Take a moment to reach out to those who hold a special place in your heart. Share a laugh, a story, or simply let them know you care. These connections provide a sense of belonging and support, lifting your spirits and reminding you that you're not alone in life's journey. Whether it's a quick call, a heartfelt message, or spending quality time together, nurturing these relationships brings immense joy and fulfillment. So, Take a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life and prioritize the people who matter most. You'll find that investing in these connections pays off in ways you never imagined, enriching your life beyond measure. Number 7, set intentions. Setting intentions is like giving your day a roadmap. It's about deciding what you want to achieve and how you want to feel. When you set intentions, you're planting seeds of purpose in your mind. They guide your actions and decisions, helping you stay focused and aligned with your goals. Whether it's starting your day with positive affirmations or visualizing success, setting intentions can instantly improve your life. It's a powerful tool for manifesting your desires and creating the life you want to live. So, take a moment each day to set intentions and watch as your days become more purposeful and fulfilling. Number 8, prioritize self-care. It's about dedicating time and effort to nurture your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Self-care isn't just about bubble baths and spa days. It's about listening to your needs and honoring them. Take moments to breathe deeply, go for a walk, or indulge in activities that bring you joy. By putting yourself first, you recharge your energy and resilience, better equipped to tackle life's challenges. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's essential for your overall happiness and fulfillment. So, carve out time in your day for self-care rituals and watch how it transforms your life instantly. Number 9, practice graciousness. It's a simple yet powerful act that ripples positivity within and around us. Graciousness involves being kind, considerate, and appreciative towards others, regardless of the circumstances. By embracing this virtue, we cultivate empathy and foster harmonious relationships. It's not just about saying thank you or offering compliments. It's about genuinely acknowledging the worth of others. Through graciousness, we uplift spirits, dissolve conflicts, and create a nurturing environment where everyone feels valued. So, let's make it a habit to sprinkle kindness everywhere we go, for in doing so, we elevate not only our own lives, but also the lives of those we touch. Number 10, embrace imperfection. Last point on our list is embrace imperfection. It's about realizing that flaws and mistakes are part of being human and they don't define your worth. By embracing imperfection, you free yourself from the pressure of unrealistic standards and allow room for growth and learning. Instead of striving for perfection, focus on progress and enjoying the journey. When you accept imperfection, you open yourself up to new experiences and opportunities without fear of failure. So, embrace your quirks, laugh at your blunders, and celebrate your uniqueness. Remember, it's okay to be imperfect because that's what makes you beautifully real. There you have it, folks. 10 simple ways to instantly improve your life. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. So why not pick a few of these tips and try them out today? And if you have any instant life improvement hacks of your own, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.